more than 50% of the population for the whole world, they chop things like rice, and they chop things like corn. We will chop all this in them, we will not be getting all this sickness them. Today I want to look, where did it be different from the rice we will chop them now, and the rice we will be chop them before. So, when we talk today, so say, things like rice, they not be healthy. Or when we talk say, things like bread, they not be healthy. Now from the wheat whether they make bread, or the wheat whether they make things like spaghetti, or they make things like pasta, or whether they make things like endomie, what will they chop them? So all those things them, when it be wrong with those things them now will not be wrong before. The first thing I say, if we look like say the seed, where this thing that they come from inside, whether not seed for corn, whether not seed for wheat, whether they take them for make the bread, or whether not thing like seed for beans, all of those seeds them will be different from the seed we chop now and the seed before. No difference, not be for any of those seeds them. Now mainly the process, how will we use them for cook them, and how will they prepare the seeds them. And the first thing I say, the first thing where it be different, I say, the way we grind the seed, where we use them for chop. The seed where we grind them, they grind them now for machine, where the machine they make the flour, it be very, very tiny. The seed, the corn meal where they don't grind them, they grind them, it be very, very tiny. Or thing like said, the wheat where we chop them, the bread where they make the bread from there, it be very, very tiny. It's small. That's how we be grind them before. The corn will be first grind them, they be grind them for stone. And when they be grind them for stone, it will be very different from the corn where they grind them for machine. Even the machines that we use them today, the machine they grind this thing, it be very tiny. And I go explain the problem will be when it be so tiny. The second thing I say, when the seeds them where we chop them, mostly if you take seed, if you take example say seed for rice or seed for corn or seed for beans, you look and say when you remove the outer skin, the one we will not chop them, the hard skin will not chop them. When you don't remove that one, then seed it go there, it go get some outer layer. For rice, that outer layer they look brown. For beans, the same thing it look like brown, and the same thing for wheat it look brown. Alright, the problem where we get them, now say when you get things like rice, because some people they talk say white rice is not fine, say now brown rice is fine. Say white bread is not fine, now brown bread is fine. The difference for that one, and I say when they take the rice, they will remove the skin. That outer skin will be brown. They talk say they don't take a motor for refinery. When you go down for refinery, now that machine they go take and for remove that skin from the rice. And when they remove that skin, they remove also the thing what we ever call them says the eye for the seed. Will be the same for beans, it be for rice, maybe for rice, it over small this yam, but rice too get them, and the wheat it get them too. So when they take them, they remove all this one, then the seed it be white. Another one, they use them for another one will get them for white rice. The rice will be chopped them before, we moment they just they harvest them, they just remove the outer skin. That one it don't get problem. When they don't remove the outer skin and the rice or the wheat or the beans and then be pure white, then now the problem that why did they remove them? They remove them because this outer skin and this iron, this outer skin, when you chop the outer skin, it'll be a bit rough. When you put them when you chop them, it'll be rough. When the outer skin be for the rice if you spoil quick. So when they remove them, for keep them for sell them, they feel keep them for a long time for sell them. When they remove them, also when they cook the rice and you make the rice with sauce, the rice, the flavor they remain very, very, very good. So they remove them for the flavor, they remove them for storage, and they remove them for the texture, so that make it taste fine. Now the reason that way they remove the thing them. So the problem when they don't remove them, it be that when it be for this outside skin, This outside skin for the rice, the outside skin for the wheat, the outside skin for beans and the other thing them. The most important thing where they and the thing where they call them say fiber. The fiber sometimes they call them say roughage. And the thing that because it be a bit rough. The fiber it be for the outer skin. Also for this outer skin, you get what they call them say protein. And the outer skin also, you get what they call them say minerals. All these things them that the thing they will body need them. So when they don't take them, they remove all that thing them. Then with the left, now only with the white one. And that white one, now the thing what they call them say carbohydrate. Now you when you don't chop that carbohydrate, when the one way they inside here. And then they take them again, they grind them. When they don't grind them, it be so tiny particles them. And it be smooth for more. And you chop them, it feel fine. When you don't chop them, it go for inside your belly, it digests very fast. Digest very fast means say wait. Say your body will work with them very fast. It don't take time for work with them as how way money body supposed to take time for thing for work. So when it go very fast because it is dissolve and the thing it be tiny particles them and mainly the carbohydrate, we body chop them, we body suck them very easily. It absorb the thing them, the nutrient them when they there. And that nutrient for where it be inside here only, now the thing what they call them say glucose. Now you when you chop thing like rice or you chop thing like corn, fufu, when that white one, when you don't clean the outside skin plenty, when you don't chop that one them, it go for your body chop and your body absorb them very fast, your body suck them very fast. And when your body suck the thing them very fast, if you chop them within 1 hour, if they check your blood, they will talk to your blood sugar don't increase. And your blood sugar increase now mainly because this one is the main one where it causes sugar. And when it go enter your blood sugar very high, then it will also increase your insulin. They work for the insulin. Now say wait, insulin they ever help say if that sugar, that glucose, they plenty for your blood. Insulin help say make it come out from your blood, go for your muscles for go give you power. But when the blood sugar they increase quick, and they don't plenty fast, and the insulin too they increase fast, then that one your body don't like them because your body don't like say make something it can't too much pass how it's supposed to be. Now that one they bring sick. Now because the thing they enter your body go quick, it go enter your blood, it plenty for them quick, too much more than how the body get for the work and with them. And now that plenty quick and that plenty fast, now it make them way before they get sick. If the sugar it can't concentrate, it can't be plenty, it remain for your blood, then it go spoil your vein them. The vein them where blood run for them, it go spoil the vein them. Also, if it can't enter quick, it can't remain for them plenty, then the chances go be say you will get blood sugar. And when the thing is plenty quick and then your body it work with them, it see them say the thing they over plenty, then the body go take that sugar or that glucose, it go convert them, it go turn them into fat. And as you chop them plenty quick for your body will take them, turn them into fat. Because your body will turn them for fat so that you feel store them for use them another day. But the thing I say, once it increase so and it increase very quick, and then your insulin too come increase very quick, then as the insulin increase very quick, insulin make you know you feel like say you know what chop. So it stop you from feeling hungry. And because it stop you from feeling hungry, you go even eat plenty past how you're supposed to eat. You go to eat, you know what it feels say you don't flop. And even when you don't flop, after 1 hour, you go to feel like say you chop again. Now the thing that way, when you chop things like rice or you chop things like spaghetti, even when you don't finish, you just finish chop them. After some short time, you will start beginning to feel say, you start beginning to look them again for the chop them, look them again for the chop them. So now the problem not be say rice it don't be bad, or not be say corn it be bad, or say wheat it be bad. The problem that say when them take them, they remove all the skin them. then it not be good. The skin, the fiber where I talk say it be for inside here. The fiber they help for safety. The fiber they help your digestion. And the fiber they help also for things like constipation. The fiber they help for slow the process where that absorption they take place. So in the presence for if the fiber be present, the glucose it gonna take it time for absorb them, because fiber they help like sponge for hold the thing so that it gonna give them for your body small how we need them. It gonna choke them for leave them small. Make your body the only take now the how it take them. And if you make up only small, they put them for your blood only small. Then your blood will use them too only small as you need them, and it no go plenty and it no go cause sick. So now they work for the fiber. The fiber, God make the whole thing make it come together, so that when this one day it go help for this one. When this one day make it help this one. Also, this fiber will help for control weight. And the fiber they help for control blood sugar. The fiber they help for prevent diseases them like diabetes. The fiber they help for prevent diseases them like high blood. It help for prevent diseases them like stroke. And the fiber it help for make you feel full, because if the fiber it be present, the glucose it no go rush plenty, and if the glucose no rush plenty, then the insulin too it no go rush, and that insulin go make you feel say you hungry again. So it help you for make you feel full. Now the most important thing them that. So the problem not be with the food. At the same now say when we take beans, we go peel the thing them so that make it look nice. It look nice for eye, it taste smooth for mouth, but it not be good for body. The same thing with corn. We take corn now, we take them, we first remove, we take and put them for machine where machine go first remove the skin, clear the skin before it go begin to grind the inside that white one. No, now the problem that with the food what we chop them now. If they take them, if they grind them for the machine where it be good, make it not be like say, make we not grind fufu, make it be like say a flour for take them for make for fry things with them. Fufu is supposed to be where even when you touch them so you feel them. And you see them say, when we will take fufu, we will shift them. When we shift them, we remove that skin for it. And that skin, and the fiber that. So this fiber, now the problem that with the thing them go we chop them now. Now say we don't try for the make things that they look very nice, but they look nice and they taste nice for mouth, but body don't like them. Body want make the whole thing come like how it be there. So if we do them for whole, the whole thing be as a whole, it will be very good. Not be only for seed where this fiber there. Also for things like fruit. When you look at when they talk say fruit juice. Fruit juice it not be good. If you take pineapple, you chop them with the skin, because the fiber too is there for the skin. You take orange. When you peel orange, that white thing where there, it be now the fiber they be for the one where you hold that juice for inside orange. When you open orange or you see them for there, now the fiber that for there. But when you squeeze the orange or when you squeeze the apple, then it means say you don't just squeeze now only the sugar, and then you throw away the sugar and the water. Now the only thing that will be left when you get that juice. And the sugar and the water, when they go straight for we body, they go rush the same like this one them. Go too much for we blood, and then it go come plenty for they concentrate for we blood, and then it cause all these diseases. Now the problem that, but if you chop fruit, now for chop them, you go see them say this or say, the fruit where you take them drink them for one time, you know if you take them chop them for one time. And why? Now because when you chop them with the fiber they help you for tell your body say you don't chop enough, and the fiber they tell you for make them say you don't flop. But when you drink them, you will see them say if you take 10 oranges and squeeze them, you should don't one time drink them, and you go even when you don't drink that 10 them, you will still feel say you drink more. Why? Because when you drink them, it runs to your blood, raise insulin. Insulin stop you from feeling hungry, and then you insert one more. And then it will go concentrate for your blood, and then it will cause lots of diseases them. And then also, your body will concentrate that sugar, turn them into fat. And now it will make them you go fat. And when you don't fat, you will bring also plenty other diseases them for your body. So, it define make we know what it cause, what it be bad, and how what it be good. If you look like say, corn fufu when they grind them, like I been talk, before when they grind them for stone, it be good. It no be taste fine, it tastes rough for mouth, but it be good. Now the thing that we'll get for now. If you look like cookie corn, we take them, we can clean all the skin. That skin is the most important part that when the fiber, it also be for vegetables them. Make we eat vegetables, I don't talk the good thing the way fiber they do them. So if you get them for seeds them, if you get them for vegetables, and if you get them for fruits. Now the most important thing them that. Fiber also, it be very, very important for inside with belly. Something them they what they call them say good bacteria them. They call them say gut bacteria. That gut bacteria, now one them now good one them when they for inside with belly. And that good bacteria them, they help for we immune system. Now they see them now saying that the strongest part for we immune system that where they help for fight diseases them. When bad bacteria then go inside our body, now that one they help for fight them. Alright, that good bacteria them, they live mainly on this fiber. And if we know the chop thing where get this fiber, if we take only this one them for inside here and this sugar them, they kill the bacteria them. So the good bacteria it depend also on this fiber. So much the be for seed what we throw them. They throw them for rice, they throw them for wheat, they throw them for everything. So that make food the taste fine. But if I make we learn this thing and if I make we they know what it be good. If you buy few cook fufu and no shift around, it will be very good. Thank you now.